Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of analyzing the behavior of a monopolist, looking at our monopoly market graph. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify what is the optimal quantity for a monopolist to produce, what is the optimal price for a monopolist to charge, and then also what is the ultimate maximum profit that a monopolist can obtain. First thing you want to do when looking at your monopolist graph is to find out what is the optimal quantity they can produce. To do this, use your profit maximization rule. Profit maximization rule tells you a firm can maximize its profit if it sets quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So on your graph, find MC and MR, find where they intersect, which is right here on this graph, and then draw a big vertical line to that point of intersection. When you're trying to figure out the behavior for monopolists, that's why you need to always look at your marginal cost or marginal revenue curve. So that's where you find here. Often going to dot that with a little star, Q star. I call it optimal quantity. Next thing, once you figure out how much quantity the monopolist is going to produce, you want to figure out what price should they charge. Now, to find that, you want to take this vertical line you just put here, your optimal quantity, find where that vertical line hits your demand curve. That's why you need this demand function to analyze monopolist behavior. So that intersects right there. Go to the left from that point of intersection, and that price you get, I'm going to label here as a P star. That is the optimal price for your monopolist to charge. Right? So that's the basic behaviors for monopolists. Make this much stuff, charge this price for it. Now, if you want to take it to the next step, you can figure out how much profit is the monopolist going to make charging that price and selling that quantity of products. And to do that, you want to find where this vertical line at Q star, find where it hits your average total cost curve. That's going to intersect on our graph right here. Go from the left of that point of intersection and your average total cost of production if you make Q star number of units. So let's say that we got this monopolist, they're going to make 10,000 units of their product. They're going to charge $100 for it. And their average cost per unit is going to be $40 to produce it. So what that means is they're going to make $60 in profit every time they make and sell a product. And they're going to make and sell 10,000 products. So their total profit is going to be the area of this box. I call it the profit box. Top is your price. Bottom is your ATC if you make Q star number of units. Left-hand side is your Y-axis. Right-hand side is your Q star. So you've got a rectangle here that looks like this. If you calculate the area of that rectangle, that'll be the profit for the firm. So in this example, the height is going to be $60 tall. The width is going to be 10,000 units. Multiply that out, 60 times 10,000, and that gives you the profit for this firm, which is going to be, what's that going to be, $600,000. That's your basic process for figuring out the behavior of a monopolist, both the quantity it's going to produce, the price it's going to charge, and its ultimate outcome, the profit it's going to make, which is your profit box.